Okay, here we are. I'm patterning the top panel. So I've already done it. Just wanted to show you the work. So this is a big piece. It's maybe 8 and change feet long. So it's kind of a bear to manage, but the front panel is actually longer. That's like 11 feet. So just some of the marks that I made on it. I have the zipper location here, and there's a wear strip for where you grab onto, because there's a railing here. This is going to be vinyl on the outside, so I marked that. So I know the zipper is going to go there. I marked the center line on the material, so I know where the center line is, so I can match them up. The zipper again, and then the wear area here. I don't worry about, there's a fixed eye on the frame that I don't have to worry about. And then I have some indicator marks along the top edge, so I can line up the front panel, because that's really critical. And that's it. And then I have marked from here is where the side panels start. And the side panels actually finish somewhere down here. So I needed to know where the panel starts, so that's important. So that's that. And I just need to mark Sout and Pout. And I'm all set with this. And then I'll just cut it out. You saw me cut it out earlier, so I'm not going to repeat that. So that's where I stand now. And then I need to cut out the front panel. And then I need to cut out the wear strips for here, which I'll make out of vinyl. And then I have a zipper cover on the underside and a panel on the underside that I need to cut out. I may use vinyl for that, we'll see. And the same thing, I have a zipper pocket on the front marked by these brackets here, so I know where the zipper pocket goes. Sorry, the battery died. The only thing I showed after this was the top cut out. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more episodes on this sewing project and other projects that I do. So thanks again.